Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fishing with a product that's sure to elevate your angling experience, the Panther Martin DSG6 Spinner Lure Kit, also known as the best of the best kit for trout and panfish. We found this fantastic product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this lure kit a must-have for both novice and seasoned anglers. The Panther Martin DSG6 is a carefully curated set of 6 spinner lures designed specifically for catching trout and panfish. What sets these lures apart is their unique design, featuring a heavy body that creates a spinning action in the water, mimicking the movement of distressed baitfish. This is crucial for attracting fish, especially when they are in a feeding frenzy. Each lure is equipped with a sharp, durable hook, ensuring that once you get a bite, you're more likely to reel in your catch. One of the standout features of this kit is the variety of colors and patterns included. From classic silver and gold to vibrant hues that mimic natural prey, this selection ensures that you have the right lure for any water condition or fish behavior. The versatility of these lures makes them suitable for various fishing environments, whether you're casting in a serene lake, a fast-flowing river, or even from the shore. The Panther Martin DSG6 kit is perfect for anglers of all skill levels. If you're just starting out, these lures make it easy to learn the ropes, as their effective design simplifies the process of catching fish. For experienced anglers, having a reliable set of lures on hand can make all the difference during a fishing trip, especially when targeting elusive species. Practical use cases for this kit are endless. Imagine heading out to your favorite fishing spot early in the morning, armed with the Panther Martin lures. As the sun rises, you can experiment with different colors and retrieves to find out what the fish are biting on that day. Whether you're fishing from a boat or casting from the shore, these lures can be adjusted to suit your technique, whether it's a slow retrieve or a faster action to trigger strikes. In summary, the Panther Martin Spinner Lure Kit is a fantastic addition to any angler's tackle box. With its effective design, variety of colors, and suitability for both beginners and experienced fishers, it's a reliable choice for those looking to enhance their fishing game. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.